Hi, I'm Jenny with Family Handyman. I'm going to show you some simple solutions to some pretty tricky problems around your house. After learning these, some might even consider you a genius homeowner. Stainless steel appliances look great until they get scratched. Fortunately, you don't have to wait to get a new appliance to fix it. You can do it yourself on the cheap. You just need a little wet-dry sandpaper and some stainless steel polish. The first thing you're going to do is determine the grain of your stainless steel. This one goes horizontal. Then you're going to use 400 to 600 grit wet-dry sandpaper and wrap it around a block of scrap wood. You're going to spray some water, get it wet, and with a light hand you're going to follow the grain of your stainless steel, sanding down the scratch. Next you're going to apply a little bit of stainless steel polish. You're going to give it a light spray, let it sit for a couple of minutes, and then you're going to buff it away with a soft cloth. Scratch is gone, good as new. Every homeowner is bound to come across a stripped screw once in a while, which is why you should always have one of these in your toolbox. It's a screw extractor. It comes in a kit with a few different sizes and it costs about 20 bucks. One end is sharp and reams a hole at the top of the screw, and the other end has threads that pull out the screw as you turn it. If you find yourself with a clogged toilet and no plunger on hand, head to the kitchen and grab some dish soap. First thing you're gonna do is pour about a half a cup of dish soap into the bowl. Let it sit for about 20 minutes so it can settle down where it needs to go. Then grab a couple of cups of hot water and pour that into the bowl, and it should loosen up the clog. The next step, go buy yourself a plunger. Sitting down at the dinner table shouldn't be a nuisance. Now, you can take apart and re-glue your wobbly chairs, but I'm going to show you a way to fix it that's much faster. All you have to do is drill a pilot hole from the bottom rung into the wobbly leg. Next, you're going to drive a trim head screw into the pilot hole to snug it up. No more wobbly leg. For even more solutions to your home improvement problems, visit us at familyhandyman.com.